In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can factory reset every Android device. So it's very much simple and easy. So what you need to do is move to your mobile phone settings here. So the settings is going to vary depending on the mobile phone you are using. So what you need to do is move to the search bar here. Every mobile phone has a search bar at a setting. So move here and then you search reset here. So you can see here, I just search that. I tap on that to search it. And good, you can see restart and reset and factory data reset and the rest. So now let me choose this. So the factory data reset means you're going to reset everything. You're going to remove everything on your mobile phone, including your network settings and your app preferences. So if you want to change your network settings to, you can go with that, and reset app preferences to, you can do that. But then if you want to factory reset, clear everything from your mobile phone, this is what you need to do. Just tap on the factory reset and you're good to go. So that's it on how you can reset every Android device you are using. If you are new here, give me a like and also subscribe to my channel. Peace.